Welcome to the educational world. Today we will talk about taskbar error, in which our computer's taskbar freezes. Go to the taskbar and right-click on it, then select Task Manager. Now, scroll down to the Windows processes to find out the Windows Explorer. You can see my taskbar is not working. Right-click on it and select Restart. Close the Task Manager. Now, you will notice that your taskbar will start working. Now, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Thanks.